Hey, my name's Adam Bayley, and you're watching the video for my biology students. Welcome to back to school night. I just wanted to, tell you a little bit about how the class is going to be graded. It's a little different than other classes, but I'm excited to share with you guys how biology is going to work this year for my students. First off, I went to UC Santa Cruz, graduated with a degree in molecular cell and developmental biology, and I got my teaching credential at CSU East Bay in Hayward. And this is my fifth year teaching at Oceanside, and I'm really excited to continue teaching biology here. It's what I've been teaching here the entire time I've been here. Okay. One of the things we're going to be studying here, so these are the topics we're going to study. We're going to study ecology, biodiversity, right? Evolution, cells, DNA, genetics. My focus is on cells. I'm really excited to get to that. Right now we're working on ecology, and it's going to be just a fun year teaching. Okay. I'm going to get through this pretty quickly here today. As you saw on the time, it's not going to be that long. I want to tell you that we are focusing on meeting the next generation science standards here at Oceanside High School. And that means that we are going to be teaching and assessing your students based upon those standards. Okay. And that means it's a standards-based grading class. And so it's graded very heavily on our tests. Okay. So it's a little scary for some students, but the way that I grade my classes is that, especially in biology, is that your student's grade is going to be 90% exams. Now, that may seem a little scary, okay, but let me explain. So 5% of the grade is also going to be quizzes and check-ins, as well as 5% for classes work and homework, okay? Now, the way this works is that students are going to take these high-stakes exams every 2 or 3 weeks, sometimes 4 weeks if we have a large unit. And during that time, they're going to be doing the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they're going to be doing assignments that are going to help prepare them for that exam. And then all the work they do, they can actually use those assignments on the exam. So that's going to help them out. And the more work they do, the more they're going to be able to use their resources for the exam. Now, if they're having a bad day and they take the exam and it doesn't work out so well for them, well, the good thing is we can do retakes. And students can come in after school or during lunch, probably mostly after school with me, to come in and do test retakes. I can tell them what they did wrong. We can talk about some assignments they can do to make up work and how they can do better on their next assessment. So it's a pretty open way for them to turn in work and get a better grade through trying hard. So that's kind of my goal this year. What I recommend you do is also know is that the lowest grade in my class is 40%. I do not give less than 40% on assignments. And the way that works is I just do not think that a 0 is fair. I think 40 is a good baseline, and you can work yourself up from there. Okay, so there's a lot of opportunities for kids in this class setting to get passing grades. The one thing is it's very difficult to get A's and B's in this class. So if you're a student or a parent of a student who's really used to getting A's and B's, it's really important that you come in and make sure you retake assessments if you're not getting the scores you want. Always email me for any questions you have. Honestly, I'm really bad at responding with emails. Just full disclosure, I try my best, but I will get back to you with emails. I do not leave emails hanging. So please let me know. I really look forward to continue learning about your student and kind of getting to know them and how they learn so I can help them better throughout this year. And I'm really excited to have great activities and do have a lot of fun, experiences here at biology. So please send me an email if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to let you know the answer. And I'm really just excited to continue starting this year off here back in person. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.